I wish I could buy them all, but I don't have any money. Sorry, little birds.
You little thief, stealing from my cages! Let that be a lesson. Now get out.
I'm sorry.
Excuse me, are you hiring?
We are.
Show me what you can do.
I'll take one, please. That will be 3 coins. Here you are. Thank you. Here is your pot.
I earned this to buy a bird.
A fine choice. Here you are.
Yes!